So this first video, we were showing you how to place images, top-down images using tiled on one of Gabe Pickard's background maps. Thank you, Gabe. And this first video we used was the ratio was 140 by 140. So let's say we want to change that though. Let's go and set up a new map. This happens if you don't, what if your tile side is a little bit different? So let's do 420 by 420, and that's going to be huge. So if we're doing a map that's like 24 tiles, let's divide that by 3. In fact, let's make it 27 tiles wide by 27. So it's going to read 9 by 9. And I'm going to call it top down 2. So you can see right here, much bigger. From our file we had before with the ladder open, you have this itty bitty ladder. So we're going to go ahead and bring in, remember, go up here, right click on this, layer properties, add image, you're going to click in this right hand side, click the 3 dots, and you go to the folder where you have your map, and boom, there it is. Now, I'm going to, in here, I'm going to add a tile set. Now, most of these are going to have to be the ones that work with a 3 by 3, unfortunately. If you want to decorate it smaller or be more exact, you need to go back to the 140 by 140 ratio and save out. You can either create your own tile sheet, kind of like we did with the others, with the old world style, or you can just create your layers and then import in with a smaller ratio later. So let's hit OK. All right, at this point, it's kind of silly to do a tile layer because if I were to do a tile layer, these are the only spots now I can. With the bigger ratio on the individual grid sections, you have a lot less choice. So what I would say is, let's get rid of that. Bing! Let's do an object layer. And before, I brought in our towers, and now I can place my towers off grid. If I want to create an overlay layer, now I just bring in and just kind of match it up as best you can. The nice thing is, because it's partially transparent as you're placing it, boom, and boom. If I want to save this out, again, turn off your other layers, save out as a PNG, export as image. In here, you're going to export as image. You'll put it in the folder you want with the name you want. You'll save it as a PNG, and once again, include only visible layers. Don't click on anything else, and you should be able to do an overlay. You can do the same with the 3 towers at top. You can create an overlay here. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.